cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top.
Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we're going to be doing a DIY Moringa hair mask. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, then please keep on watching. So yeah guys, I'm starting off on already shampooed hair. I used the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Peppermint Pure Castile Soap to just go ahead and cleanse my hair so that there is no product on the hair, stopping this particular mask from absorbing into my roots and into my hair strands. So I wanted to make sure that the hair was clean, and as I shampooed each section, I went on and plaited it up so I won't have to worry about any tangles or anything like that. So now I'm applying the actual mask, this Moringa mask, and it includes organic India Moringa leaf powder, the essential nutrition. I also added some swad turmeric powder. It has nature's way burdock root. I put about 2 capsules of that in there. It has the now MSM powder. I put about a half a teaspoon of that in there. I also use some organics or olive oil, just as my liquid for this particular mask, as well as some pure Florida orange blossom honey. And I just, mixed it together and I let it sit for a while before I actually applied it to my hair. So it got a little dry, but I didn't add anything else to it, and I just applied it as is. So you can add more oils to make it a little more smoother. But for this particular time that I did it, I didn't add any more to it, just because I was being lazy. But I went on and added that. So here I'm just applying the mask, and that's what I'll be doing in these particular clips. So yeah, my hair was in about 6 sections, and this is the last one. At this point, my hair is pretty dry. You can go ahead and add water to make the process a little bit more smoother. You can add water to your hair, just so you are able to smooth this product in. I didn't really worry about it too much because at this point I realized I didn't have much of the mask left. So I went on and just spreaded it on as best as I could, mainly just focusing on my scalp and roots. That was my main concern. And then whatever I had left, I just spreaded it throughout the length of the hair. So yeah, you just want to, paint this on to the hair as best as you can. But the roots are important as far as absorbing nutrients and minerals, so that's why I really try to focus on my roots. But yeah, that is what I'm doing in this section, just finishing up on the application process. And once I am done, I will go ahead and add a plastic processing cap to my head and let this sit on for about 30 minutes, and then I'll proceed on to washing it out. So right here, I have washed the actual mask out. And I must say that this was a really messy process. My whole entire tub was orange. The walls were orange. However, I do want to say that the turmeric is not necessary for this particular mask. I have just been wanting to get some turmeric into my hair, but it's not necessary for the mask. And also, I do want to say that you can add an egg to your mask, just in case you need a protein treatment. I did not need a protein treatment today, so I did not put an egg in this mask, but you can for a natural protein treatment. And I was just showing you in the clip that my hands and stuff are still orange. That turmeric is really potent. It can really stain and dye your skin, your hair, your bathroom. So yeah, like I said, it's not necessary, but I know that there are some powerful nutrients in the turmeric, and I've been wanting to put it in my hair, so I just have to deal with it. So anyway, in these clips, I am just showing you guys how I am following up the actual mask with a deep conditioner, because just like any other DIY natural mask, it will be drying if you're using any type of natural ingredients. So yeah, I like to follow up with a deep conditioner, and I have been enjoying this Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Recipe Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner, just for some moisture. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing in these clips. And once I do have the deep conditioner into every section of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and brush it through, and then go ahead and add my processing cap and then my heat cap, and let this sit in my head for about 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing. So that's what I'm doing in these clips. So yeah, guys, I did let that deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 30-45 minutes, and then I went on and washed it out with some warm water. And I also let this t-shirt sit on my head for about 15-20 minutes just to dry up some of the excess water. And now I am moving on to the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I'm just putting this on as my leave-in. And then I'll go into the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream, as well as my DIY Amla Oil Blend. And then on to the actual Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. So that's what I'll be doing in these clips. It's just, putting on the product, working it through my hair, and just plaiting my hair up. and that will be the style that I will be doing for now. Basically a um, basically some plaits, and if I need to take my hair down, I will have a braid out. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, guys, I do want to mention that I do like to allow the products to absorb a little bit in the hair before moving on to the next product. So you'll see me applying one product at a time and then it absorb into the hair and then moving on to the next product. Sometimes I wait a few minutes, sometimes I wait longer. It just all depends on how I feel. But my new method is to allow the products to absorb a little bit into the hair before moving on to any other products. That way, I won't have to worry about, products fighting to get into my low porosity hair strands. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing as well. So yeah, now that I've allowed the deep conditioning repair, I'm just trying to get the names right. The leave-in conditioning repair cream to soak into my hair. I am going to move on to actually massaging my scalp with the DIY Amla oil blend, just to add some more nutrients and minerals to my scalp and roots. And I did want to go ahead and mention, since doing this actual mask at this point, my hair does feel really, really good. It feels soft. It feels moisturized. It feels healthy. And with following up with that Aunt Jackie's curls and coils coconut cream recipe, coconut repair coconut cream deep conditioner. Man, these names are so long. Oh my God. But anyway, my hair feels really, really good, but I do want to purchase some pH balancing strips or pH strips to see what is the pH balance on this actual deep conditioner, because I know some deep conditioners are almost at a relaxer level. So I do want to go ahead and check that, because I noticed that my roots were really, really laid down. So, which is amazing. I've really been, focusing on my roots lately, and they have improved. So I just want to, just test this actual deep conditioner to see what's going on, to make sure that I'm not doing anything damaging to my hair. But like I said, it feels like my hair is, moisturized. It feels like it's a bit more manageable. So it's surprising to me that a product could work, that fast. So I'm just curious to know if this deep conditioner is pH balanced. Anyway, I have moved on in this particular clip with adding the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream So I'm just moving on to the layering of the products, and that's what I'll be doing in these clips. Is just finishing putting the products in, making sure that my hair is detangled and everything like that. So yeah. So yeah, my camera started acting up during the last portion of the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I use as my final product. And then I'm going to show you how I ended up plaiting up my hair. And that will conclude the video. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate your time and energy. Peace and love. I hope to see you guys on the next video. And as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffoons. I'm so